Hello, this is a lesson on piece valuation assignment puzzle form. Now it is now Red's turn to act. Red is attempting to trade by exchanging the cannon with its rook in the following manner. And then Black's rook will respond by capturing Red's rook, following which Red's rook will capture Black horse. So the question is this a favorable trade for Red? Now let's first look at the piece value tally. So for Red and for Black, so Red has captured one cannon and one horse for a total value of 8.5 points. Black in turn has captured exactly one red rook for a total of 9 points. So at face value, this seems to be an unfavorable trade for Red. However, we cannot solely judge a trade just by the value of pieces alone. There are other factors to consider. So for this particular situation, Red has made the trade because he has gained an attack position, which is very favorable for Red. So as a result of this trade, Red has formed a very strong attack in this area, and Black will be very hard pressed to defend this position. In defending this position, Black stand to gain a lot more, stand to lose a lot more, and therefore Red will be easily compensated for the 0.5 points that he has lost. So therefore, net, this is actually a profitable trade for Red. Thank you.